Hey, 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 welcome back to Happy Hour.
Why are you starting it like it's happy hour?
Oh, sorry, it's not Happy Hour, it's the premiere of
this week's video.
We hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. So you'll see all that we got up to. You should know that we're continuing with the renovations,
Yeah.
the repurposing, the shaker
upgrade
styling
of the furniture in our little box room.
You'll see all the progress that we made this week. Welcome, welcome. Oh, please chat up in the comments, right? Chat with us. We're right here now live with you in the comments. So chat us up. And then one request, after the video has ended, please do remember to write some comments below as well. Cheers.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa.
Welcome back to our channel. This week we want to continue with our makeover. We're doing a small room makeover, including modernizing, right, adapting old furniture to look modern and new. So shaker style doors and drawers, and then new pulls. So we're going to show you what we've done so far, and then we're going to head now to B&Q to get some more stuff. If you have not considered subscribing to this channel, please do. We share lifestyle content mostly. There's some cooking, some travel. Ooh, you've missed perhaps some of our travel vlogs, but we share lifestyle, travel, shopping, cooking, and all that. We have
stuff.
a lovely live session every Sunday to Thursday at 6 p.m. UK time. Yeah, we have a laugh. Oh, at B&Q we hope to get the paint for the cupboards and drawers, because Wicks, it's just a no-go. We're not getting the paint color that we need from Wicks and the type that we need. Wilco's. We plan to use like kitchen cupboard paint, because then it's strong and it's wipeable and so on. But we can't get the color that we want at Wilco's, which is where we usually get it. So we're going to try B&Q. So the next clip you'll see, we should be at B&Q. We'll show you some of the journey as well. Oh, this week as well, we're going to celebrate Valentine's Day. So it will not be on Valentine's Day this week, but we will be celebrating, because next week we're on a break. You'll hear about that another time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
You know Lisa's weakness for the plants, right? So when we stopped at B&Q, we also stopped to admire some of these indoor plants. But you know, we've already made up our minds. Right now, we're not going to buy any more new house plants. We have enough, and we'll take care of the ones that we have, and we'll make them work for us. But taking in new ones now, and maybe they don't do well, no. What do you think?
Anything you want, anything you need, your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
How much is that? 7. Do you like this? You're getting a sneak peek first. The color we're going for, Sapphire Salute. Yeah, by Dulux. By the way, did we tell you before that we're planning to do wood paneling, board and batten paneling? I bet you not even Ricky has done that before. Have you done it before? Well, watch us try. We're gonna try.
Go, hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite.
Did you hear about the malarkey that we had when we went to B&Q to start off the week? We had scheduled this time that we're going to go to B&Q, get exactly what we want, have a little look around. But then when we got our trolleys full with everything that we needed, guess what? For some reason, Google Pay on our phones didn't work. So we had to put the trolley to one side, ask them for permission to go get our cards and actually go back to the store to purchase. And who was right behind me in the queue? By the way, the queue by this time had become really, really long. And behind me, exactly behind us, stood a past student I had taught in secondary school. She was a good girl, so it wasn't much grief, but I can imagine if I had had a horrible one who perhaps was naughty, and I wouldn't want to see them in that predicament. But yes, we got home, got the money, well, the card, and went back to the store to get what we needed. It's maybe 20 minutes to 6, which is time when the live should begin, and I'm in the bathroom painting a wardrobe. So I've just done the first coat on that one, and then it will stay now till tomorrow right here. So luckily it's just you and I. Good morning. I feel like we haven't checked in for a while, so let's give you an update. Well, the works that we're doing is going ahead slowly but surely. And the biggest issue is outside is just frozen and frosty and cold in the mornings. So there isn't much that we can do then. So then we have to wait until the sun comes out, the little cold sun. And warm up things, melt outside and so on before we can do any work. But it's going on. We are meant to finish this week. Hopefully it will be finished and be in this week's vlog. And by the way, we've now decided that we're also going to do in the room paneling, board and batten paneling. And I know you must be laughing like me as well, because I'm not sure we'll do it well, but we're going to give it our best shot and it will be okay. I'm sure it will work. Now, as to breakfast this morning, well, last night on the live somebody didn't like the sound of green juice, you know yourself. So today we haven't got any celery. We don't have any celery left, and the grocery order is not due yet. So today we've decided that in the green juice, instead of celery, we're going to add carrots. But what I'm going to do the carrots first, then pull apart the juicer so that I can get the remnants from the carrots, and I'm going to use those to make fritters. So a healthy-ish saltfish carrot fritter with the remnants from the carrots, and then I'll put back the juicer together and do the other stuff in the juicer. No celery, cucumber, so it would be cucumber, carrots, ginger, green apple and lime. Yeah, that's it. So that's what we're going to do. So in the morning part now, after breakfast and worship, we have to do computer work, because we can't do, unless of course we can do a little bit of painting inside, but those big doors really need to be painted outside. But wish us luck. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far, and we'll see you soon. And that's it. That's the green juice. Admittedly, it does taste better than the green juice. This is orange juice today. Not orange, yeah, orange color juice, because of the carrot instead of celery, but it does taste really nice and gingery. I like that. Right, so fritters now. Here they are. They're a little bit more greasy than regular, I've found. So we put them on some napkins to absorb some of the oil before we eat them. But I think they're gonna be nice. In fact, Joe has tasted one. What do you think? Very spicy, very nice. I don't taste any carrot at all. Oh, doesn't have any carrot taste. Yeah. But as soon as I saw it, I thought, it sort of looked brighter colored. Yeah. And it has 2 whole large carrots in it, so, and very little flour. So healthier version. Has the crunch.
Soft on the inside still. Very, very nice. And I put Scotch bonnet pepper sauce on it, so that's what's the spice. And red onions. Nice. See you later. Next clip. And we're making progress. Albeit indoors because we woke up to freezing temperatures. So outside, way too cold. Yeah, nice bright sun streaming through the window, but it's very, very cold. So the sun is bright but not hot. So which part of this now you want to reveal? What's this? This is board and batten. This is the MDF that we've got cut, and I'm priming them because it's not going to be white, but you'll see eventually. But this is for board and batten paneling for the bedroom. Yeah. So here now is a clip of how we got on with the drawers during the week. We're also making progress in the kitchen. These are the drawers for the chest of drawer, and it's having the shaker style on it as well. So this needs another coat of paint, then we're good to go. So do you want to see a sneak peek of what the room looked like? It's just a small box room, the smallest room in the house actually, but we've managed to fit 2 single beds, a small chest of drawer, a small wardrobe, a TV table, and even a bookshelf. It holds a lot, but the plan really is to try to modernize it, modernize the furniture, and also give it an upgrade in terms of color as well. We're going to change the color in the room, and you'll get to see what that looks like. Good morning, guys. It's Joe. Lisa is out for a little bit, and I'm setting up to start painting. In fact, I've done some drawers already, 4 drawers. I've done the first, no, this is about the 3rd coat, hopefully the final coat, and I've got the, can you see the doors ready to get another coat. So hopefully we'll get that done today, all the doors painted, and then I'm going to start on these are the boards. I don't remember the type of board it was for the board and batten in the bedroom. So 2 doors hopefully done. Some drawers over there. Yes, the place is still a mess, but thankfully last night Lisa put lunch together, which is going to be a fish pie, but it has spinach in. So there's, she says, coconut milk at the bottom and spinach and so on. A nice sauce made with coconut milk at the bottom, and then on the top mashed potatoes. So that's going to go into the oven when it's almost time for lunch. Hope you're having a good one, and we'll see you in the next clip. Out with songs of praise. You, my God, will save my soul. I am yours forevermore. I won't be moved of this, I'm sure. You, my God, have saved my soul. And there, my green plantains over there. Oh, let me show you green plantains too. So Lisa is back, and she has a haul we have to find neighbors to share with. Yes. You don't know what we're going to do with so much stuff. Plantains for days. You think we live in Portland? We have to find neighbors, man. Yeah. Look at this one, massive. The people who move next door. Yeah. It's in my hand, still in paint. Yes, I'm wearing a mask, Marva. It's a construction zone, this house. Yeah. Slowly but surely getting there. Let me give you a little heads up about Amazon. I've been using this little trick quite a few times now. But if you have Amazon Prime, you have to pay for it. You get all sorts of benefits. But for me, I don't use any of the benefits. I just want what I order quickly. So last night I wanted 2 things from Amazon. I ordered them last night, and I just took the Prime benefit, Prime membership. You have a free month or whatever, free whatever. But I always, after I've ordered, I then cancel. So when I looked at when the order would come, it was telling me a couple of days from now, and I wanted it today. So I ordered them. One just came. Well, I'm not even sure if the two are in here. So let's unbox together. Two items. Shoulder pain. Sorry you're shaking up, but you're on the same table where this is. Where the box is. And yes, both items are in. So the first one is a laser level. So I need this for the jobs that we're carrying out now. Sorry, the sun's shining right in here. Can't help it. But it's a laser level. I'll let you see when I'm using it, although I'm not so sure yet how to use it. But I'm sure. I think I know how. And the next thing is in a box, in another box. So let's unbox. And it's glassware, so I'm hoping they're not broken. And it's in another box. So this is the third box. Let me take this out. Get rid of this box. Put this one here. Oh, I didn't think they were so small. So it's a lovely little glass. But I didn't think they were so small. But anyway, we'll use them. Joe is laughing at me.
Always fool with sizes.
So I'm going to look what size these are. 280 cc. What is that? Do you like painting? I don't mind most times, but this one, guys, it took days and days. It just went on and on and on. But you know what? Little progress is still progress. At least we didn't stop like last time. You remember? Who remembers when we were doing 2 rooms at the same time and we stopped, we gave up, and then we pushed on again. But this time we progressed. Let's see.
Hey, it's another beautiful day. It's morning, and I'm making curried goat, a big batch of it, so that we can decant it in containers and freeze it. So whenever we feel like curried goat, it's there. It's in the, well, one portion will be in the fridge for like 2 days time, and then the rest will be in smaller containers for maybe months. I don't know, maybe a month, so that it's there when we need it. I'll show you how I actually do it.
So there it is, one big pot of it. I'm going to add one carrot and 1 potato, and then I've also put the slow cooker on, because as soon as this has got a little cooking, I'll just put it into the slow cooker to finish cooking it. Right now all that's in it is a piece of thyme and a little bit of water. So that's my morning, and then I'm going to be back at work, at the desk, at the computer. The kitchen is a little bit cleared up, so yeah, it's coming on. We still have a few bits out that we need still to use, but for the most part it's cleared up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, everybody.
We have flour. We have the different types of flour already, including red flour. Well, did you get the peppers? Yeah, but they only have red. I'm the single one, so I'm going to try for eggs still. There's a shortage of eggs. Out of stock. Oh, they said they have the 6-pack. Oh no, out of stock. 15-pack out of stock. Yeah. Don't need cheese. Oh, ginger. cheese and ginger.
And green apple.
Green apple is there.
Cheese. Oh, okay. Oh, the curry goat coming on nicely. Let me show you. Curry goat. So 2 hours, no, maybe 3 hours, and it's nice and soft. Almost done. We're making up a grocery order for some essentials, like mostly fruits and veg and milk. Things for green juice. We haven't had any green juice yesterday nor today.
The last time the sauce having orange green juice.
Carrot.
Red cheese. And I want a cheese spread.
Oh, do we have cream cheese?
I think we have some enough.
You can do a pasta dish one day with some cream cheese and spinach.
That's it. Anything more? Milk. We have condensed milk?
Not sure. Let me check the pantry.
I know we have enough.
Yes.
We have enough condensed.
Yeah.
Okay. Creamer. Creamer.
Okay. Anyway, the painting, now we have one piece of furniture left to paint, and that's a wardrobe.
Yeah.
The door is already done, but the sides. So both of us now going to do a quick wipe off and prime.
Yeah.
So that we can get another layer of paint done. Next clip. In case you're wondering, our curry goat dinner was delicious. It turned out really well, the goat that is. Because we're rushing around so much and doing so much at the same time, I forgot salt in the rice, and I actually put too much salt, too much water in the pan as well. And then we left it there to sort of steam. Went upstairs to get the job done. The rice was ploto. But it was nice. It was a good lunch.
Man, I still go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down.
This I think needs one more coat. You, my God, you saved my soul. I am yours forevermore. I won't be moved of this, I'm sure. You, my God, you save my soul. When you can try to do things yourself, try. And as much as we're not finished, we're happy. Yeah, and it might not be perfect, but it's what we can do. It's with the skills that we have, which is very much in terms of woodwork. Yeah. But we're willing to give it a go. And the more you do, the more you practice, the better you become at this game. So I'm proud of me. I'm proud of you too. Yeah. Did you enjoy that? That was a lovely premiere. I
Yeah.
enjoyed this week immensely.
Every time when we put a premiere, guys, please come and join us. It's always nice to
Yeah.
chat with you in the comments and pick up your nice, beautiful selves.
The
and
work
so on.
was hard, you know, not true.
Yeah, but-
And every time I start a makeover, some hard
You
physical work,
always
I
say
always
never
feel-
again.
Never, never, never again. Do you feel that way as well?
I don't know. I
always
like the
feel that way.
challenge. Sometimes I get tired of things
Doing
just
it.
going on and
Yes.
never ending. But I like the challenge still, and I want to do more and more and more. And I want to do a woodworking course. This is the
I
first
think
choice.
so. I thought of that too.
Oh, I would
it
love
be
to do a
nice to do a
woodworking course.
woodworking course, so you know the different joints and with stronger,
Yeah.
and also how to make pocket holes.
Yes, that's
which I have
something
an
I
idea,
want.
but I
Yeah.
would love to do. So I'm going to look because I think at the center near us, near the high street.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
There is a course. Well, there are different courses
Yeah,
including
that-
floral arrangements and
Yes.
things like that that we could do. We just
It's a
need
good
to
idea. What do you think, guys?
yeah,
What you think?
figure out a time that we can actually
Yeah,
set
go and
and
it.
do that.
And then we also need some tools, which I'm sure one of you are, two of you are, three of you
I
might
have
want to
tools
donate.
here, but little by little we'll get what else
Yeah.
we need.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys, for staying with us this week. We had a good time, and we hope that you did too. We now next
Almost
week-
pinky promise.
Oh, yes.
Almost. That by next, remember that we're taking a break next week, by the way. So the following week, hopefully, everything will be finished and you'll be able to see a full room reveal with everything in it.
including the board and button that we feel so shaky about. But see you until next time.